everyone, and welcome to Truth in Tongue, the space where healing isn't always gentle and the truth doesn't always come fully built. Some things have to be broken down to be understood. What happens when you break down what was built to silence you? Today's word is bold, necessary, and freeing. Dismantle. D-I-S-M-A-N-T-L-E. Definition: to take something apart, a structure, belief, system, or even a version of yourself so it no longer holds the same power. Sentence: she began to dismantle the walls she built just to survive. But dismantling isn't destruction, it's liberation. It's the brave act of saying, this doesn't serve me anymore, and I'm done pretending it does. Let's go deeper. What part of your identity are you currently dismantling? Because it was built on fear, not truth. Have you ever had to take apart beliefs that were passed down, not chosen? What are you unbuilding so something real can rise? Dismantling hurt, but it clears space. And sometimes healing begins after tearing down. Drop a comment. What are you dismantling in your life emotionally, mentally, or spiritually? Here at Truth in Tongue, we don't just build, we unbuild what was never meant to last. If this word cracks something open, hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Break the false, keep the real, dismantle, and then decide what word we're building. See you in the next word. Thank you.